Today, we will talk about how to start a laundromat business with no money. Let's have a look at the details. Whether you're looking for a new business venture or simply want to save on laundry costs, starting a laundromat can be a great option. Keep watching to learn more. Step 1. Select the business model first. There are 3 main types of laundromats: coin-op, card-op, and drop-off/pickup. Coin-op laundromats are the cheapest to start, but card-op and drop-off/pickup laundromats offer more services and can be more profitable. Do your research well before executing the model. Figure out what type of laundromat will work best in your area. What services can you offer that will set you apart from the competition? Once you have decided what business model you want to go with, you need to move to the next step. Step 2. Be creative when naming your business. When it comes to naming your business, there are many things to consider. You want something catchy and easy to remember, but also something that reflects what you do. For example, if you are starting a laundromat, you may want to consider naming your business The Laundry Room, or something similar. Step 3. Decide the business entity. There are 4 different types of business entities that you can choose from: sole proprietorship, partnership, corporate organization, limited liability company. And these all have their pros and cons, too. A sole proprietorship is the simplest type of business to set up, but it offers no personal liability protection. A corporate organization is where shareholders elect board members to run things. It requires an annual meeting with stockholders meetings every 3 months. And limited liability company provides extra protection for investors by limiting their liability exposure, while still allowing them flexibility in operating their businesses. Step 4. Create a detailed business plan. Planning is one of the most important aspects to consider when starting a business. You need to have a clear vision for your business and develop a plan to make that vision a reality. It is especially true for businesses that are not traditional, such as laundromats. Step 5. Register your company with the state. You need to make sure your business is registered with the state and has all the necessary licenses and permits. Step 6. Get permits and licenses. Most states require businesses that offer certain services, like laundry, to be licensed. The requirements and fees for a laundromat license vary by state, so be sure to check with your local licensing authority. Step 7. Choose the perfect location. Laundromats do best in high-traffic areas. So, consider locations like shopping malls, near bus or train stations, busy streets, or other major transportation hubs. Step 8. Buy the right equipment. If you're starting a laundromat with little to no money, the best thing you can do is purchase the proper equipment. It will ensure that your business can run smoothly and efficiently from day one. Step 9. Open a business bank account. The first thing you should do is open a bank account for business purposes only. It will keep your business payments separate and improve your credit score. If you want better funding options and want to go big in the future, you also need a high credit score. Step 10. Make noise with an exceptional marketing strategy. There are a few things you'll need to consider when marketing your laundromat business. You first need to think about your target audience and what type of marketing will resonate with them. Step 11. Secure the business through insurance. Laundromats may seem like a safe place, but they're not guaranteed to be free of accidents. Did you know that falls and burns are possible? That's why laundromat businesses need comprehensive general liability coverage. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.